to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today is my third video. I'm trying to get them all done so I can do my errands and do my returns tomorrow, which is Saturday. Today I have, right now, a Loft Haul for you, all right? So I actually went in person to a mall and I went shopping with a friend and we went into Loft and I saw these jeans, but they didn't have them in petite in store. And I held them up to me and they looked gigantically long. So I came home, went online, and sure enough, they had them petite online, which is typically how I do shop Loft. I go there, I can wear an extra small in their tops, but their bottoms are just too big for me otherwise. So I typically then come home, do an order online. I don't usually buy in store because I need a minimum amount in order to get the free shipping. So I prefer not to buy in stores so I can buy what I need online and then have it shipped. And I have not had very good experiences with them ordering for me in store. It takes quite long. It's cumbersome, so I just prefer to just do it myself at home. So what caught my eye in the store were these jeans, all right? They're these kick crop, high rise with a petite inseam, but regular fit, they're calling it. Regular fit, petite inseam, size 25. In the color mineral teal. Now, you know, these are kind of deceiving. Depends on what light you're looking into them. Like right now, I'm like, oh, teal pants. But then I held them up to a teal sweater I had, and they look very green. So they're kind of like almost like a spruce green slash tealish color. So there's I would say a lot more green than blue on the teal side of this. And I had been looking for teal bottoms, and as you all know, I work from home, have a very casual lifestyle now. I'm really only looking for jeans and casual pants. I'm not looking for any dress pants at this time. So I was very excited to find these, because teal was a color I did not have in my closet, and I do like the color. And before you say, Carolyn, what are you going to be wearing with that color? Well, I picked a whole bunch of things out that I'd like to show you that I already have in my closet that I think will go quite nicely with them. All right? I'm going to start with the thing that probably goes the least with them, but I still thought it kind of looked nice, was this top that I got. It's a Daniel Rain t-shirt kind of like top that kind of has the color in it along with the orange, very fallish looking, okay? So I thought that would go, all right? Then I also thought this top, which is another Stitch Fix top, so that was a Stitch Fix top. Here's another Stitch Fix top. It's a blouse that has an open back that is mustard, but it's like an abstract shape mustard. So it's on a white or ivory background with like little speckled mustard flakes. I thought that would go well with it. Very fallish color combination. I thought this new top in this bright marigold color from Express would also be a fun color combination, right? Nice bright yellow or golden yellow with these teal jeans. And lastly, I thought this Daniel Rain top and then also a Stitch Fix sweater by Pink would go with it. All right, again, a nice fall color. All right, I'm going to be modeling this to see how it looks together. So again, the top that I have from Stitch Fix, I would have called this just regular green, but when I hold it up, I think it goes pretty well with the pants. All right, so I'm pretty happy that I got the pants. I like them. I'm going to try them on, see how they fit, and see how it goes with some of these items. But I'm pretty sure as long as they fit, they'll be a keeper. Okay, next up, I saw Laura from Little Box of Happy get this. This is the orange multi pointelle striped sweater tank in size extra small. And I not only was it $75 to get free shipping, it was also, I think, buy two get 40% off, buy three get 50% off, buy two 40, 3 50. I don't remember. I think I got like 60% off this. So the sweater that I'm about to show you, I paid $21.04 for, and the high rise kick crop jeans, I only paid $37.58. What a deal! All right. So I really thought this sweater was adorable when Laura got it. And I said, oh, you know, this is so cute. So you know what? I'm going to get this sweater. So I ordered this to get to my $75. I brought it home. I got it home and I unpackaged it. I went, looks vaguely familiar. So I already have this sweater tank. Now granted, it's slightly different, from White House Black Market, and it's a couple years old, all right? But it is in the same color palette, right? It has the same, you know, corally color, has the same yellow color. So I can see why I was attracted to it. I obviously like this color combination, but I already have this and I haven't worn it yet this summer. So this is going back. Then lastly, I've been on a search for a yellow cardigan, all right? So when I saw this online, it's called Golden Shade Ribbed Open Cardigan in an extra small, $28.13. Now this cardigan is very thin, all right? So I wouldn't pay, it again, it's $28.13 is probably worth the price. It is very thin, and let's see what it's made out of. It's 51% viscose, 49% acrylic, and the color is just horrible. This is not the color I was expecting. I do not like this color at all. To me, this reminds me of baby diarrhea brown. Sorry if you like it or if you're offended by that, but I just do not like this color at all, and this will be going back. I will throw it on with a cut top that I just showed you because it actually matches the mustard in that top and it would go nicely, but I will not keep this color. I do not like this color at all. So give me a minute and I'll do a try on. I'm not stepping back to see your shoes because I'm literally wearing a pair of pink slippers. Because I don't have any intention of really styling this top because like I said, I have one pretty similar to it already. I love the color combination. Again, it's like that brighter kind of yellow, almost like a marigold yellow, and almost like a salmon pink, between a coral and a salmon pink, I would say. So I love the color combination. This is a crop style. Me being short, I don't have an issue with it, but warning for anybody who might be interested in this. It is an extra small, and I would say it's true to size. It's a very lightweight tank. Like it a lot, but I just obviously do not need it, all right? Next up, I'm gonna show you that cardigan. Up next is the cardigan. I have to say it goes very well with this blouse. It's like a perfect color match. The blouse I got from Stitch Fix last year. However, I can deal with the blouse because it's on an ivory background and it's not this all over mustard color. Whereas this is like a mustard color. I don't like this color at all. Some people would call it mustard. It's like a brownish, mustardy-ish kind of color, along with maybe a hint of green. I just do not like this color whatsoever. There's not an actual color that I won't wear. Like I love camel, I love brown, I love yellows, but when you start doing certain shades, like this shade, just do not like it. So there isn't like a particular color I dislike, but this particular shade I dislike. I just don't think it's very becoming of me and my complexion, and it's just not attractive to me, the color. So I also probably wouldn't keep it because it's super thin, you know, and that's another reason. I just can't see this washing well, to be honest with you. So this is the back of it. It is long in the arms, but I am short, so rolling up is to be expected. I got my usual regular extra small. This is not a petite. And I have it paired with my brown booties. So if you like this color, here's an outfit idea inspiration for you. So dark wash jeans, a printed top, and this mustard cardigan, along with some brown booties, okay? So this is going back as well. Next up are the jeans, which I'm pretty sure I'm keeping. Give me a minute. Last up are the jeans, which are the one item that I really wanted when I placed this order. So, like I said, they're called mineral teal, but to be honest with you, they're way more green than they are blue. So if you're not into green and you prefer the blue side of teal, these are not for you. They're definitely more green than blue, okay? I got them in a zero petite, which is, I have another pair of kick crop flare like this from Loft, and I have to say they fit pretty similar to those, although those are a little bit higher waisted on me, and these are pretty high, but above my belly button. But these fit similar in my hips. I feel it a little tight in this area in my hip area. I am trying to lose a couple pounds so my clothes fit me more comfortably. And that's about it. I'm going to keep these because I like them. They're comfortable enough for me to wear. They're not so uncomfortable, but they're just a little bit more snug than I would prefer. 5 more pounds should do it. So I kind of like this. This is a Daniel Rain top that I got from Stitch Fix, and it goes very well with this cardigan in a burnt orange that I also got from Stitch Fix. So this is a half Stitch Fix and pair of pants are Loft, and again I paired them with the brown booties. So I'll pan you down so you can see the brown booties again. Okay, so this is where the pants hit me. Oh, it hits me above the ankle, booties. So I'm pretty happy with the jeans, and I am going to be keeping them. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate all the support that you have given me. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? I'm free, you know. Click the notification bell and get notified of future videos from me. Click that thumbs up button, lets me know I'm doing a good job. And until next time, and the next time you'll probably see me, I'll have a Stitch Fix. Take care.